We'll guide you through how to find the clipboard on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So the clipboard is where when you go and copy something, it goes. So you can go and see different things you've gone and copied and paste them from there. Make sure you watch this full guide as we guide you through how this is done. So to get started, go somewhere where you can use your keyboard. I like to use a web browser, so I'll just open up Chrome. And I'm already actually on a search engine, so we can tap here. Now, you may go and have a row of options just at the top here. If you don't, like me, keep watching. But if you do, keep watching as well. What we need to do is just go and enable that row. So close out of whatever you're in, swipe up and find your settings, scroll down into general management. Then in general management, come down to Samsung keyboard settings. Then you can go and scroll down and switch on keyboard toolbar. Come back to where you can use your keyboard. And then you have a row of options. What you're looking for is the clipboard looking option, and you can tap there. And you're then going to go and see different things you've copied. Go and then tap on it to go and paste it. And that's it.